Hey folks, a little update for Pokey Do Right. Look at this setup here. Let me walk over here and show you what I got going. Just so y'all know, I ain't made no videos in a while. We've been having fun. All right, so let me walk over here. And we hooked up our Coronado, which is the big motor home, to the Jayco and took a nice trip in it. And what was shocking is that the generator is 7,000 watt. It was able to run that air conditioner and that air conditioner at the same time, because down in we're down south near Las Vegas, and this thing climbed the hills really good. It's got a souped up 454 in it, and this is actually an ultralight 4-season. Even though it's 34 feet long, it did really well. As you can see out here, it hooks up nice. Even turning corners, it doesn't even come close, but I do have to be a little careful. But that tip actually just misses that ladder where it swings in when you turn corners and comes back out by about 3 or 4 inches. So totally safe. And the hitch is one of those hydraulic hitches. So when you hit the brakes, it slides in, but when you're pulling, it actually allows it to float, which is really cool. And it has a hydraulic arm on both sides that keeps it from you know, losing control over it. So it tows really nice. But I just wanted to show y'all what we did with the Jayco. And now if you look at my other video where I showed you where I raised up that Jayco, this is why. So now it's level, even though my ground out here ain't level, it's very level. And this motor home here, turn this, there. I don't want to take a chance of running around with those out. So this motor home here is 34 feet. And then if you look down here at the Jayco, that's another 34 feet. So, I mean, we're running at 70 feet of length easily. And up here on the top, there is solar up on the roof of the motor home, but I'm not climbing up there. I'm a lazy shit today. But down here, we're going to be putting an additional 1,000 watts on the Jayco. Now, one of the things for sure is this is not no little cheap fold-out pop-up camper. This baby, if you notice the seal bottom, is a 4-season. And like I was talking about lifting this thing up, I had to. This thing is tall, man. We have to have it lifted up to get it onto this thing. So it's a little dirty. I sat down in the desert for 4 days, but hey, what the hell? You know, we don't live in pop-up campers around here. If we go on the road, we go camping hardcore. Yeah, pretty nice setup. Tow's good, didn't overheat. Looks like we got ourselves a setup, hillbilly style. All right, guys, just giving y'all a little update of what I've been up to and doing. I ain't put a video out in a while, so here's one of them.